Kia eke te maunga is Upper Hutt School's annual fun run, and the purpose of the fun run is to raise money for the year 5 and 6 camp, so every child has a chance to go to camp at Upper Hutt School. Some reminders are to wear appropriate clothing, like a t-shirt and shorts will do, and if you want to drink at the top of Kingsley Heights or anywhere along the way, you need to bring your own drink bottle. Also, you need to be aware of other members of the public using the footpaths.
Everyone will go to class like usual, then everyone will line up on the courts. Then all the runners' names will get called out and they'll go line up by the rugby post. And the hurdle will go at 9:30 and everyone will start running. And when all the runners are back, the walkers will go at 10:30. After that, there will be a prize giving for first, second, third and year groups, and also boys and girls. Then there will be a sausage sizzle, and then you can go home or stay at school. Now here are the maps. You will start by down the classrooms by the rugby post, and you'll run around the dental clinic on the courts down the footpath. Then you go for 2 crossings by each way, run down by the train station, go under the tunnel, and you'll cross the crossing by Maidstone Max. Then you run straight down, get to the bottom of the hill, then run up to the top and back down.
This is where you will line up and warm up before the fun run starts.
This is the start line where everyone will wait until the hooter goes off.
So once the hooter goes, you run around the rugby post, past the dental clinic, and then through the courts. Like this. So once you've ran around the rugby post and the dental clinic, you run down here through this gate, then you come to the left down this.
Once you have come down the footpath, you are going to cross over the Blenheim Street crossing, and then there's another crossing over there that you will cross over straight to the train. After you've crossed the crossing down there, you will run down this footpath down there, but as you can see it's very tight, so you need to be quite careful around here. And then you continue down to the train station along this footpath. In this area you need to be really careful because there's lots of people using buses and trains, so you need to stay on the footpath and stay left and watch out for all the members of the public.
Once you've ran down the side by the train station, you run down this road and into the tunnel over there. Once you've ran down the ramp, you will run down here until you get to the crossing.
Along the track you will see lots of adults wearing vests, and they are there to help you get on the track safely. And this is one of the most key places to stop, and maybe sometimes you need to stop and wait until the coast is clear.
So down here you will run straight down here to the bottom of Kingsley Heights, but you have to be careful because Maidstone Max is being rebuilt, and I would recommend just going in 1s and 2s, and there'll be some helpers down here if you trip or fall. There'll be cones on the other side of the car park by Maidstone Max so you can run on the road.
Now we are at Park Street, and this is a dangerous crossing because there's no crossing, but a teacher will normally be standing in the middle and telling you when to go or not, but you just have to go straight ahead and not turn down.
So this is where if you're running or walking to the bottom of the hill, you will stop here and go back, but if you're running or walking to the top, you will keep running up Kingsley Heights. So this is where you run up Kingsley Heights all the way, but you would, if you were to think about it, you would keep a steady pace all the way up and slow, because then you wouldn't waste as much stamina, like this. This is the first leg of the fun run right here at Seymour Grove. And then the second leg will be up this hill right here. And this is the harder part of it.
Once you get to the top of Seymour Grove, you will get an X on your hand, and that's only for the runners who are running up.
This is the easier part when you're running down the hill, but you gotta keep going. This is the gate that you'll come through, and then you'll run to the far football post over there to get a placing by Mrs. Grant.
Once you have come through the gate, there will be 2 chutes, and one is for the people with X's on their hands and who will be getting placed, and the other chute is for the people who don't have X's on their hands.
Go Jamie! Go Jamie! Congratulations! Well done, what a wonderful run! Let's write your name. Okay, we'll show it here. Well done!
This is where the people will meet when all the walkers and runners have finished their race.
There will be places for 1st, 2nd and 3rd in each year group, boys and girls.
Good luck on Friday.